In this video, we are going to show you how to apply a skin on your PS4 controller. Ensure you are in a well-lit area before starting the application process. In your package, you will receive one cleaning kit and your selected design for your controller. Let's begin by cleaning the device. Use the alcohol wipe and the dry cloth provided in the installation kit to clean the surface thoroughly. Make sure there are no dust particles left behind. Let's start with the joystick trackpad area. Peel the skin from the release paper, align it properly on the trackpad, and gently press it on the place. If it's misaligned, don't worry, you can remove and reapply it. Just make sure not to stretch the skin. Now let's move to the buttons. Remove the button skins from the release paper and apply them to the joystick buttons. Ensure they are properly aligned. If not, remove and realign them without stretching the skin. Next, we'll apply the joystick skins. Just like the button skins, peel the small circular skin from the release paper and apply it gently onto the joystick. Do the same for the bottom joystick area. Remove the skin from the release paper, align it carefully and apply it slowly without stretching. Take your time. If anything looks misaligned, you can remove and reapply it as needed. Just avoid stretching the material. Now for the joystick light bar area. Use the same method. Peel it off, align it properly and apply it slowly and steadily. Finally, let's apply the main body skin. Peel the full body skin from the release paper and lightly place it on both sides of the controller handles. Then start applying from the P button area and the mic area as shown in the video. No need to rush. Align everything properly and press it gently using your fingers. Since our skins are high quality and reusable, you can remove and reapply them if needed. Just avoid stretching the skin. This part may take a bit of a time, so sit back and relax while you watch the video showing the application at 2x speed. And that's it. Your controller now looks stunning with our Fomo Store skins.